Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Jyoti Ketan and you're watching Arcandy. In this channel we discuss about architecture. Today we are going to talk about the Vastu for temples. This is the episode 9 of my series Vastu Guide for House. If you haven't watched my previous series then please watch them. I'll put the link in the description box below and come to this video so that you will get more knowledge. So before starting our video, let's do a small recap of our previous episodes. In episode 1, we discussed about the basics of Vastu. In episode 2, we discussed about the colors in Vastu. Different directions or different rooms have different colors in Vastu. In episode 3, we discussed about the placement of different rooms. That is, the different corner or different rooms should be placed in different direction. In episode 4, we discussed about the Vastu for garden. That is, the different elements should be placed in different directions according to Vastu for garden. In episode 5, we discuss about the history and origin of Vastu Shastra, that is from where and when the Vastu started. In episode 6, we discuss about the introduction and principles of Vastu Shastra. In episode 7, we discuss about the importance of Vastu in our life. In episode 8, we discuss about the Vastu for shops and showrooms. Now today we will discuss about the Vastu for temples. So without further delay, let's get started with today's video. Temples are an important part in every home. Today, bungalows and penthouses have special room prioritized for temples. It is extremely important to stay close to God while you lead your daily life. In case you want to build temple as a stand-alone property, ensure that it is a plant close to pond, garden or lost surroundings. The temple built at such places can bring in luck, fame and pleasure to everyone. You will firstly have to scan the land that would be taken up for constructing a temple. It needs to be an auspicious zone for building houses and schools. You will first have to make a Vastu pad of 64 squares compulsorily. All the main gates should be built towards the four walls of the temple. The half part of the breadth must be kept for Garbhagriha, which is the central location for placing the idol. A wide path must also be planned all around this Garbhagriha for parikrama. Almost 1/4 of this space should be kept for the width of the door. The height of the door must also be twice the width size. The temple to worship needs to be placed in northeastern direction of the concerned area. The direction is ideally considered best for prayer rooms. All the directions are good and auspicious as you will be placing an idol inside it. However, you can observe spirituality and self-satisfaction only if you pray facing the northeast direction. There are quite a few places in India that still follow Vastu guidelines while building temples. These temples are built considering Vastu culture and Vastu Shastra. All buildings that have been built considering Vastu guidelines can only be beneficial to devotees. You need to start constructing temple at an auspicious time after undergoing necessary puja and havan utilities. It is said that the temples built on such guidelines will benefit a lot and million devotees might benefit over centuries ahead. There needs to be no large or stock room close to your temple area. No iron objects should be placed at close proximity. The northeast direction cannot be extended further to accommodate any further room. This direction will also provide mental, emotional and spiritual peace to everybody. You need to face the eastern or northern direction while praying inside the temple. Idols can be consecrated post Uttarayan and Dakshinayan only. You can also do the same during the auspicious Shravan month or any other such period basis the Hindu calendar. Most temple built during these early decades also shows the properties of Vastu guideline. You could also observe this while on South Indian tour, which could boost maximum number of temples. Jupiter is the lord of northeast direction, which is also called as the Isan cone. Isan is a Ishwar or god. That's how it is the direction of god Jupiter. Hence it is advisable to keep the temple there. Moreover, the earth's tilt is also towards the northeast direction only and it moves with the starting point of the northeast. Hence, this corner is like the engine of the train which pulls the entire train. The placement of the temple in this area of the house is also like that. It pulls the energies of the entire house towards it and then takes it forward. A temple placed in the center of the house, a region that is called as Brahmastan, is also said to be auspicious and can bring prosperity and good health for the inmates. When it comes to constructing the temple, do not place it directly on the floor. Instead, keep it in a raised platform or pedestal. The temple should be made of marble or wood. Avoid temples made from glass or acrylic. Do not clutter the temple. Ensure that you do not have multiple idols of the same god or goddesses, either in sitting or standing position in the temple. The idol or photos placed in the temple should not be cracked or damaged, as it is considered inauspicious. One should be able to perform pujas wherever the temple is kept. During special pujas, the entire family tends to pray together, hence ensure that there is enough space for family to sit down and pray. The temple area should have good healthy flow of energy, so keep it neat and clean without dust or cobwebs and avoid stuffing the space with too many accessories. Above all, the temple should give you a feeling of serenity and calmness. Indian temples should be adhered to Vastu because it is the place of peace and harmony where people generally seek God's grace to fulfill their wishes. There are many temples which are constructed with Vastu non-adherence, and even it has been observed that such temples never prosper in terms of peace and other manner. Any improper orientation and construction of temple or shrine could bring mishaps with adverse effects. Vastu provides some prominent features that must be considered while constructing a temple. Every shrine must be constructed facing east direction with east entrance in the same. East direction is sacred in Vastu because sun rises from here, which is the sole energy giver and symbol of light. Therefore, according to Vastu, shrines should always be constructed east facing and in trance, while the idols of God facing the appropriate direction as well. Ensure the plot of temple is regular shaped and avoid irregular shapes while constructing a shrine, because shapes like triangular, circle or oval are prohibited and considered inauspicious. Shoes keeping point in temples should be best located in southern side, while drinking water resource can be arranged in eastern side. A temple can have 4 main gates, out of which 2 are idle towards east and 2 in north. However, if there is only one gate to the temple, then best to have in east direction. Avoid entrance gate in south direction, and main door must be huge and stronger than other gates of temple. Provision for window and should be kept on eastern side only. Place for God's idol must be higher than the ground, and all the idol must place in such a way facing east, while only Lord Hanuman, Lord Dakshinamurti and Goddess Kali can face south. Avoid building other residential or commercial places near or front of temple. The shadow of temple should not fall on the places around the temple. Water storage must be located in northeast corner if underground and overhead tank must be situated in southwest. Kitchen in temple must be situated in southeast corner, as this is the place for element fire. Charity box must be kept in east or north direction. Temple based on the site where there is a hill, sea, mountain lies in east or north direction. The things that we have to take care while studying about the Vastu of the temples are the ideal place for the consecration of the temple, the direction and placement of main entrance, the direction and placement of God's idol, which is very important, the direction and placement of windows, worshipping place, and place where the religious activities will take place. Guys, this much for today's video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, stay tuned to my channel, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and please press the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. Thanks for watching the video and keep supporting and motivating. Thank you guys. Bye bye.